Contrary to popular belief, becoming more eco-friendly doesn't actually entail these massive steps. It's all about the little steps that we take forward. And why not start in the beautiful world of gift giving by finding eco-friendly and sustainable gifts? Let's jump in and check out our feature artisan for this week, Lil Bit Better. Now, I'm a big believer in showcasing products that I've actually genuinely tried as well. So these are items that I've purchased and been using, so it's first-hand experience with these. Now, this is a beautiful Gardner soap, and I got this because it reminds me of my mum, but also I really love to have a beautiful hand soap on the bench. I don't know if anyone else is like that. But this one here, it's the activated charcoal and pumice. So it's got the activated charcoal in there, plus all the beautiful essences, but the pumice stone is actually grained down. It's really fine granular, so it just gives it a little bit of texture but still feels really silky smooth. Now let me show you what it looks like on the inside. So you can see it's actually the black color of the charcoal. Now smell wise, it's so beautiful and fresh. So all of the products that you use have got slightly different smells to them, and it really activates your senses. So it's giving you that full experience. And these ones here, you know, you could buy that individually or put together your own pack to make that ideal eco-friendly gift. I'm actually struggling to work out which is my favorite ones that I have from Lil Bit Better, but this would be right up here, and it's the disinfectant spray, and it's with the Neoli and Myrtle essences in it. But this one here, it's actually got like, it's actually got quite a strong aniseed sort of smell, but it smells so fresh. And I love the fact that when I'm using it in my beautiful kitchen where I love to spend time as well, not cooking, but anyway, hanging out. But I love that it gives it such a fresh smell, but it doesn't have that clinical chemical smell that when you get when you're buying traditional cleaners. And again, the packaging, you know, it sits on my bench and it becomes actually part of the styling that I'm putting into my home as well. This one is the chrome and glass cleaner, and I hate streaks on everything, right? So as far as in my bathroom with the mirrors, but also in the kitchen, which is on the oven and all the other appliances that are in there. And this one works really well, and it gives it a very sparkling shine straight away. And I found that with this as well, I didn't have to use it twice. It was sort of one, and with a glass cleaner, one and done, right? But the smell of it is beautiful as well. This one here has got the Spanish rosemary and African orange, but it's really the orange that comes through, so it's got that crisp, fresh, bright smell to it. But again, look at the packaging, it's so beautiful. And even it's got all of the details on here about the fact that it's free from, and all the elements that it's free from, giving about the background of Lil Bit Better as well. So as far as for a gift idea, and I know it's a cleaning spray, but honestly, when you're thinking about those two together as a gift, I know many of my friends who would love to get this. This one here, which is the laundry sheets. Now, I don't know if you've tried these already, but I switched over to laundry sheets probably a couple of months ago after I'd seen an ad, and they work so well. I'll just show you what they look like. They're literally a sheet like this. Have a look, it just looks like a sheet. But the beauty is that they're free of all the nasties, and they actually dissolve completely in the wash. They don't damage your clothes, super soft and friendly, but and they smell so fresh. But again, I love that Lizzie is always using those natural essences as well. So it's not a chemical smell, it's a beautiful natural fragrance. Oh, lovely. But the other thing that I also love is that when I bought the first lot of laundry sheets that I'd bought, and I got it home and I realized that the packaging was not recyclable. And I was like, how is such a sustainable product not in great packaging? Whereas this, straight in a cardboard box, right, that can be completely recycled, plus these are eco-friendly as well. So for anyone who's wanting to make a change in their household, give these a go. Then of course you can't go past a beautiful room spray. So this one here is called Warm and Woody, and it says what it is on the tin. It's literally got that warm and woody smell, and it neutralizes any smells that you might have in the air. So great for the bathroom, but also as well, it's fresh and it's natural and it doesn't have that chemical balance kind of smell to it. So this is a great idea. And again, look at that beautiful packaging. Combine it with an amazing handmade card of Made It, and you might just have the ideal eco-friendly gift. That's it for our gift guide this week. So hopefully there were some eco-friendly, sustainable options in there. Remember, you can click through on the link below, jump on over, favorite those items. So whether it's for right now or maybe it's later, you've already got those gifts lined up and ready to go.